Hi there, SS1 students. You are welcome to economics class. Today we are going to be treating the topic money. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to define money. You should be able to state the qualities of money. You should be able to explain the origins of money. You should be able to explain trade by barter, the difficulties experienced during the trade by barter system. You should be able to explain the types of money, and finally, you should be able to explain the functions of money. So let's go over the topic quickly. What is money? Money is defined as anything that is generally accepted as a medium of exchange, or anything that is generally accepted as a means of settling debts. When we use anything to settle our debts, or we use anything to buy goods and pay for services, what that thing means is money. Now, how did we come to the use of money? Formerly, people traded goods for goods and service for service, which is referred to as the trade by barter system. The difficulties of the trade by barter system led to the use of commodities as money. That is, people use cowries, cattle, and other means as a means of exchange. Then came a time when British merchants kept their gold with the goldsmith, and in return, the goldsmith issued them with receipts as evidence of gold reserves kept with them. As time went on, the British merchants uh, did not come for their gold, and the goldsmiths lent out this gold to other individuals that were in need. As time went on, the goldsmiths used this receipt as a means of exchange, and the British merchants also used this as a means of exchange. Later on, the goldsmith became um, banks, while the receipt became paper money. Trade by barter. Trade by barter is a system of exchanging goods for goods and services for services without the use of money as a medium of exchange. Let me explain 5 problems encountered during the trade by barter system. One, double coincidence of wants. During the trade by barter system, it was difficult to exchange goods because you need somebody, you need to get somebody that needs what you want and at the same time has what you need. I have bread and I need rice. I have to look for somebody that needs bread and has rice, and that was difficult. Number two, trade by barter wasted time and effort because it was difficult to get somebody that has what you want and need what you have. Number three, non-indivisibility of goods. Most goods traded with the use of trade by barter were not divisible into smaller units, and that was a major difficulty in the system. Number four, non-durability of goods. Most goods during the trade by barter system were not durable, and that hindered borrowing and lending. Five, most people during the trade by barter system were discouraged from producing in large scale, and that was a major problem, and people could not get as many goods as they needed. Now, types of money. We have 8 major types of money. They include: one, paper money. This refers to currency notes issued by the central bank. Two, coins. Coins refers to metallic substances made of silver or gold with definite value issued by the bank. Legal tender. Legal tender refers to um, money that is backed by law, and it is generally accepted as a medium of exchange. Four, commodity money. Commodity money refers to any kind of money that has value as a commodity and at the same time as money. Example, you have gold, you have silver, you have bronze, you have copper, and so on. Five, representative money. Representative money refers to any money that is not actually money but is used in place of money. Example includes your check, your your check, your receipt, your tickets, vouchers, and so on. 6. Fiat. Fiat money refers to any money that has value as only a medium of exchange but does not have value as a commodity. That is money that is backed by law but is not backed by gold reserves. 7. Fiduciary issues. Fiduciary issues refers to money that is backed by government securities but is not backed by gold reserves. That is money that is backed by government securities like treasury bills and treasury certificates. Then 8, you have deposit money. That is money that is actually deposited in bank uh, balances or bank accounts. Now, what are the qualities of a good money? Number 1, money must be generally acceptable. Anything that must be money must be accepted by everybody in a society. 2, money must be homogeneous. Anything that must be money must be homogeneous. It must be accepted by everybody in anything that is money must be one and the same in an environment. That is, it must be the same in color, the same in shape, the same in size, and so on. 3, money must be divisible. Money must be capable of being divided into smaller units. 4, money must be storable. Anything that must be money must be capable of being stored for a long period of time. 5, durable. Anything that is money must last long for a long period of time. 6, recognizable. Anything that is money must be easily recognized by everybody in the society. 7, relatively scarce. Anything that is money must be scarce and difficult to find. 8, no intrinsic value. Anything that is money must not have value in itself aside from being a medium of exchange. That is, anything that must be money must actually be fiat money. Functions of money. We have 5 major functions of money. 1, money is a medium of exchange. Money is a means by which we exchange goods and services. 2, store of value. Money is a store of wealth. With the use of money, you can store your wealth for a long period of time since money is durable. 3, measure of value. Money is a means of measuring the worth of an item. With the use of money, we can know the worth of an item and we can compare the value of one item to another. Standard of deferred payment. That's number 4. Anything that must be money must be capable of being used as a means of settling debt in the future. So it's a means of borrowing money, of borrowing items now and paying later in the future. Um, Store of value, standard of deferred payment, measure of value, then unit of account. That's the last one, number 5. Anything that is money must be a means of keeping value or storing value figures in ledgers, invoices, bank balances, and so on. So money is a means of maintaining accounts or values in all those mediums. So if you have any question, please drop in the question and answer section. Thank you.